Kung cash, inutang niya lang yung cash na yan. Kung ikaw lang makakapagsabi, hindi ibang tao. So, bulaga. What up, what up? Kamusta kayong lahat dyan? It's your chill pare Rob on another weekend, another episode. Thank you for your engagement with us. Thank you for your thoughts and messages. Thank you for watching. Salamat po. Happy weekend po sa ating lahat, and I hope nagtatagumpay tayo sa mga sarili nating laban. So today's episode, two things is what I want to talk about. First is a question from a good friend na malapit sa aking puso. Nagtanong siya regarding the second video about watering your own grass. Pinagdadaanan ko pa ba yun, or ano ba yung progress ko, or what I did to overcome it. So I think I thought about it. Pinag-isipan ko siya mabuti. Paano ko nga ba ginawa? So I think the major or one major way to overcome looking someone on someone else's grass is to mainggit ka. Mainggit ka in a good way. Meron po tinatawag na okay na inggit, magandang inggit. Gusto ko yan. Gusto ko rin ng ganong auto. Gusto ko mapuntahan yung pinuntahan niya. Gusto ko ng ganong trabaho. Yun ang mga inggit na magaganda na ginagamit ko as an inspiration or as a motivation to keep pushing forward. The reason why I say it's good inggit is because naiinggit ka enough not to find a bad reason or the worst reason kung paano sila nakapunta doon. Like, pag may nakabili ng auto, kung cash, inutang niya lang yung cash na yan. Kung kumuha naman ng installment, walang pera. So, yung mga ganun. Yun yung mga bad inggit. Yun yung mga kailangan nating i-brush off. But am I confident to say that I've overcome that problem? Yes. The reason why is because I feel genuinely happy for the people that I see who are succeeding in life. Example po, uh, mga 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 pare is yung mga high school tropa natin. Dati gangsta yung mga yan eh. Ngayon, may sarili ng company, may sariling trucking company, may sariling restaurant, may sariling business, ang gaganda ng mga trabaho, graduate, di ba, mga abogado, mga doktor, dentista. And I feel happy for those guys kasi may bunga eh. Kahit yung mga hindi nag-excel sa school dati, may bunga eh. And pag nakikita ko sila, ang galing nito si Kuya, ang galing nito ni Tropa. So, yung mga dating luhaan sa pag-ibig, ngayon may pamilya na, may anak na. That's succeeding also in life. That's a form of success, yung having a complete family, having a happy marriage. Ano din yun? Sorry, may mga notes lang ako dito. Baka tingin naman ng tingin to dun. So, but you and me, we were redirected to a different path with different people in different opinions and perspectives. Um, we were given different challenges. We were given different odds and problems to overcome. And uy, may bumibusina sa akin. May papansin lang 'yan. Um, may mga iba yung sitwasyon ko sa sitwasyon mo. So, I have a different form of success. You also have a different form of success. Huwag mo na i-compare yung success mo sa success ng iba kasi hindi mo naman alam yung goal niya sa goal mo. Ikaw lang ang makakapagsabi sa sarili mo na ikaw lang makakapag-evaluate kung gaano ka ka-successful as a person. Kasi ibang mini-meet mong goal. Meron short-term goal, meron kang long-term goals. Ikaw lang makakapagsabi, hindi ibang tao. So, second thing, uy, naiyak si Bebe. Iba rin yung diskarte na ginawa ko o ginawa namin to get here. Iba rin yung ginawa niyang diskarte. He failed differently. I failed different. Diba? So, focus on yourself. Diba? Whatever it takes to help yourself grow, gawin mo. Mag-relax ka, magpahinga ka pag napapagod ka. Pero there's light at the end of the tunnel always. Makakarating ka dun. Hindi man tomorrow, it may not be today, not tomorrow, pero you'll get there. Just take, those baby steps. one day at a time, one job at a time, one problem at a time. If you're the type of person na kaya mong mag-handle ng napakadaming problema, believe ako sa'yo. Galing nun. So, just keep moving forward. So, second. Two. May nag-message po sa ating nanood at kaibigan ko rin ho ito. At ang sabi niya, kukunin ko lang po ito para mabasa natin yung tamang message. Sabi mo nung unang video mo, may mas experience pa sa'yo sa buhay. Tingin mo ba makikinig sila sa'yo? Sa tingin mo ba lisensyado ka na mag-share ng mga life advices kung alam mo sa sarili mo meron pang mas experience sa'yo? Question lang bro, wag ka ma-offend at alam ko open-minded ka. Ikaw lang ba nakaisip niyan o may nag-push sa'yo? Sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, ang social media po ay meron tinatawag na content moderators. Content moderators, may mga tropa po tayong content moderators. Sa sobrang sama, sobrang negative ng pumapasok sa videos na contents online, kinailangan na po mag-hire ng content moderators. Kasi hindi na nagagamit sa tamang purpose yung social media. Ginawa po yan to connect with friends or families and spread positivity. Kaya pwede tayo mag-upload ng video, ng mga ganito ganyan. Hindi po ako life coach. I just share all these things because I'm at a place where I'm happy and content. I do have problems. Yes po, we have problems every day, but generally speaking, I can sleep well at night. My family sleeps well at night. I know my family back home sleeps well sa gabi. So this whole project that I'm doing is just to share what I feel, just share what I know, and I don't think you need a license for this to inspire people. My goal is to touch you in a simple way, and if it doesn't work for you, it's fine, you can move on. And I hope if you're going through something, mahanap mo rin yung resource na yun, mahanap mo rin yung content o yung video o yung episode na yun makakatulong sa'yo personally. It's just that you can't please everyone. Itong content na to hindi para sa lahat. Kung nakakaabot ka sa mga huling parts ng episodes natin, thank you. It means nakaka-relate ka. Pero kung hindi, nagsiskip ka, okay lang din yun. 'Di ba? Kasi ako personally, pag di ko gusto yung napapanood ko, nagsiskip din ako. Or worst comes to worst, I unfollow this person. So, wala pong masama doon. But it all starts with you. Stop blaming others for where you are right now. Focus on yourself and start taking those steps one step at a time. Stop looking on another person's grass, kung anong progress niya pwede in a good way. It's not watching their progress, pero kumuha ka ng best practice and then i-apply mo sa sarili mo. Kung may magtanong sa'yo, i-share mo din. Huwag kang magdamot ng success. Kasi ay, nako, dede ka lang dyan. And be the best version of yourself so you can become the best version for other people, for the ones that you care about, for the ones that you love, diba? And always represent. Yeah, always represent. And yun lang. Yung nagsabi nung tanong na sa comment sa akin yun is a friend, and I did ask for his permission. And we talked at the end of the conversation. It was a good talk. Gusto niya lang, sa tingin niya lang ma-apply niya yung ganitong situation sa situation niya. So, that's the context ha. Hindi po siya masamang tao. So, yun lang. Happy weekend po sa ating lahat. More contents to go, more episodes to go. And like what I said sa unang part ng video, saan po nagtatagumpay tayo sa mga tinatahak nating landas sa buhay. Always remember, live, laugh, and love. Like, share, and subscribe. Meron tayo sa TikTok, meron tayo sa YouTube, meron tayo sa Facebook. And always remember, it is what it is. Peace. Adios. Goodbye. Paalam. Whoop, whoop.